Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. So today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree craft, and we are going to be making some really fun fall flower from Dollar Tree ribbon and skewers. This is a very inexpensive but beautiful DIY. So now these are the ones that we're actually going to be making, and these are my favorite. I love these, but I just wanted to show you what some of the other ribbon looks like if you choose to use other ribbon. So these ones are made with the burlap ribbon. This is the burlap ribbon, and this is how it looks. It's 9 feet. It's the Floral Garden, and there's lots of different colors. And so with the fall stuff coming, they generally get like a burnt orange color. So what I like to do when I am making these for this time of year, I like to do mostly brown. Like I will do several brown ones, and then I will add in some other color. So like I might make 4 brown ones, and then when it's Halloween, I might do a purple and a black and put it in there. For fall, I'll do like some burnt orange and add with it, and then at Christmas I'll do some of this color to add with it. That way I'm not having to do all of them each time, because for me the burlap goes with my decor regardless. All right, but I do want to show you, as I show you how to make this, I just want to show you what it looks like with some other ribbon. Now, because I am not, this isn't what I was making, on these extra ones, I only did a small portion of it. I would definitely, go down further, but these regular ribbons take a little bit longer to take them apart. So, and since I'm not making them to keep them right now, I only did a little bit just to give you an idea. So like this ribbon here, is nice and fluffy. So this is this ribbon that Dollar Tree makes. They do it for all different seasons, and it's got this hard piece on the side, but this is how this one looks when it's, comes out. And again, it's a little bit more fluffy looking. So also, really cute. But again, I would definitely go, much further down with it if I were actually making it. And then this one, so this is fluffy, and my tape didn't stick very well. This one's fluffy, but not as fluffy as that. So this is like this type of ribbon. So, but again, if I was doing it, I would go down, much further. This is just really to show you what some different ones would look like. I pretty much always use this. Now this, if you wanted to just sort of like have some little accent pieces to put in there. So, maybe you were doing pink and you wanted like some mermaid or whatever, like there's this. So this, you can see it's fluffy, but it's not, as long of a fluffy piece. And that is this very thin ribbon. All right. So that's just sort of to show you those. Now we are going to, I'm just going to show you how to make it. So this double-sided tape, when I'm doing any other ribbon, I use double-sided tape and put each piece on it to wrap it around. But with the ones that's my favorite, I don't need any kind of tape or anything. All right, so I'm gonna just open up this ribbon. And so I like to cut this in pieces about this big. And I suppose you could probably do one long piece if you wanted to, but for me, it just is, easier for me to manage it when I do these smaller pieces like this. So this is a very easy craft. So you take your piece and then you're just going to cut off one edging of your metal. All right, and you're gonna put that to the side. And then you see these pieces here that poke up on the side? This is what you're pulling out. So you're just pulling this out. So we'll do this piece on regular and then the others I'll do on fast so that you can see them, but it doesn't take forever. So as you can see, I'm just pulling all of these pieces out. And I just grab a couple, few at a time and just pull them out. All right, and then this is what I'm left with. All right, so now I'm going to go to fast mode and do these other pieces. All right, so I have my pieces separated. Now these I like to save, and I mean, you may not have anything to do with them, but I like to save these. So a few things, you can, put these little pieces together if you're making different little things, and, tie pieces together. Like you could do different things with these. I've made a bird nest out of these during springtime, but also I like to save them because I also, if you do resin, these fibers look super cool in resin. So I save them for that too. So I do definitely save these little fibers. I just keep them in little baggies. I mean, sometimes I separate the colors. Most of the time I don't, just because, I don't know, laziness, I guess. All right, so now I have a skewer. So this is just a bag of skewers. You can see how many's in it, along with the fact that I've used a bunch from the Dollar Tree. I think these are from the Dollar Tree. These could be from the grocery store, not even sure, but Dollar Tree has them and they're inexpensive at the grocery store too. All right, so now you're gonna take these little pieces and you make your little filaments go up, and you just start at the top, and now you're going to just wrap this around. All right, so now we have this. So if you wanted to put leaves on these, occasionally I do, but honestly, I usually don't. If you wanted to, like, I will sometimes do it with like my colorful ones, and I will use cray paper and I cut a longer leaf, and I like cray paper because it'll give it a bend, but I do a longer, thinner leaf when I'm doing that. And at that point, if I was going to use a leaf, I would use floral tape, put around it, put my leaves on, and then go around until my leaves were covered, and then put this over it. But because I'm not going to do leaves, we're just going straight to this. So this is the wire piece that I cut off from the top. So now I'm just going to wrap this around. All right, and then this part is completely up to you. If you choose to do it, please be super careful, but I do like to go in and just take a lighter and melt off my little edges. And so here you go. Here is my floral pick, and you can see like these are really, really pretty. And so like I said, you do any color you want. I like to do a bunch of these khaki ones because they go so well with everything. And then I just add in different colors, throughout the season, and it gives me a way of, changing up my decor without having to make a bunch of them all over again. And let me show you, I have this other pick that I make that is also so cute if you want to add in there. Let me just get it real quick, and I'm just going to show it to you. And if you're interested, I'll add the video in the description of making this pick. Hold on one second. So I have these floral picks that I add, in my arrangements with them. So I'll add the video if you're interested, just if you're, making something cute. And, of course I have, the baby on them, but these could be, a dog, family, anything you want. It doesn't even have to be a picture of a person. This could very well be, a picture of the beach if you were doing this with this color and like a turquoise blue. Like, so many different things you can do. But if you're interested in these, I'll put the video in the description. So listen, I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you like them, and I hope that you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Oh, tomorrow I have a super fun project also. It's another Dollar Tree, but this is like such a cute, I want to call it, it's not really a basket, but it's like a tray, and it turned out so cute. So I'm going to finish it up today, and it will be tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that also. And listen, if you haven't done so, hit subscribe, and I'll see you later, my friends. Bye.